Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online class. Now student, we should continue our lecture, that is the chapter number 7. The chapter number 7 is tongue and teeth. I explain you so many things in this chapter about the tongue, about the teeth. In the last lecture we should discuss about the types of teeth, means how many types of teeth you have and how many numbers of that teeth, कितने वो दांत होते हैं. And after that we discuss about the structure of the teeth, means we should divide in the how many parts of our teeth. Clear? Now how many parts of teeth we should discuss about that. After that we discuss about the tooth decay. I explain you that thing. And now today we will discuss about the care of teeth, that is given in the page number 45. Clear? This is the page number 45. And now listen students, when I explain you chapter, that time you have to open your textbook. Keep your textbook with you and put your finger on the line, and I also read for you this chapter, and between that I explain you each and every line, what is given in that line. Now some pictures also given. This picture shows you about the how you should take care of your teeth, is how you brush your teeth, how do you clean your gums. This thing showed by these pictures. Is it clear? Now after that, first line, teeth are very important part of our body. Why this line given here? Because the teeth are most an important part, because the teeth help us in the digestion process. Clear? The food is necessary need for the human beings. Those are the living beings. They want, if they don't eat properly or they don't eat, so how they get energy? So for the getting energy we eat different kinds of food items, and for the chewing process, when your food enter in the mouth, for the chewing process we need teeth. Suppose for a few minutes you think you have no teeth, अगर आपके दांत नहीं होंगे तो can you capable for eating anything? No. If our teeth is not inside the mouth, so we should not chew properly our food, and we don't take taste properly. Clear? So that's why the teeth are more important part of our body. We must take proper care of them. But how we should take care of them? This thing given in this point. Clear? Their proper care can save them from decay. If we should, what is given in the second line? If we should take care properly our teeth, so the care protect us from the teeth decay. Means how the teeth decay happen or form in on your teeth? Because plaque covered your teeth, means if you not brush your teeth properly, the plaque covered your teeth, and so after the so many layers, or after the long time, if you don't brush your teeth, so the bacteria attack on that layer and they should start eating that layer, and after that they make a hole on your teeth. So the take care of the teeth is most important for us. Now the first point given, brush your teeth twice a day, means दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करना चाहिए. Clear? And rinse mouth after every meal, means when you have your lunch, dinner or anything you eat in your daily routine, after that you should rinse your mouth, means कुल्ला करना चाहिए, पानी पी के कुल्ला कर देना चाहिए. क्लियर? नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट, move the toothbrush upward and downward while brushing. Means you should, if you are doing brush in your teeth, so that time you should use properly your brush, upward, downward, like this way. Clear? Means you should brush your teeth properly. And third point, use a good quality toothbrush and toothpaste. Clear? Toothbrush means their bristles are in the proper form. Clear? And toothpaste, basically in present time we are using Ayurvedic toothpaste. क्लियर? पतंजलि का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. आज हर तरफ हर कोई क्या कर रहा है, हर्बल चीज़ों की तरफ जा रहा है. क्लियर? बट इन द ओल्डन टाइम आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड देयर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स मेड होम मेड टूथ पाउडर एंड यूज्ड इट एंड देयर टीथ बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. अभी जैसे कुछ लोगों के दांत बहुत कम एज में गिर जाते हैं, लेकिन उनके अभी तक आप देखोगे कुछ लोगों के, आपके दादाजी के दांतों को देखो या कि नहीं, तो उनके दांत अभी भी मजबूत है. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने पुराने समय में जो हर्बल जो चीज़ें होती थी उनसे बनाया हुआ पेस्ट या फिर वो जो पाउडर होता है वो यूज़ करते हैं. अवॉइड कंज्यूमिंग सर्जरी प्रोडक्ट आर कोलास. अवॉइड कंज्यूमिंग सर्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स आर कोलास मीन्स जो प्रिजर्व करके रख देते हैं, है ना, और उन्हें बहुत महीनों के बाद यूज़ करते हैं. उन चीज़ों को खाने से बचना चाहिए और ड्रिंक्स भी नहीं पीना चाहिए. यूज़ अ डेंटल फ्लॉस टू क्लीन बिटवीन द टीथ. मीन्स इफ़ यू वांट टू क्लीन योर टीथ प्रॉपरली तो यूज़ फ्लॉस. क्लियर? दिस इज़ द टूल. उसे यूज़ करके अपने दांतों की भी जो गंदगी उसको हटाना चाहिए. यूज़ अ माउथ वॉश टू get rid of the bad smell. How the bad smell happen in your mouth? If you don't brush properly or you don't rinse your mouth after the each and every meal. The food is on your mouth. After the sometimes you feel bad smell in your mouth. So for that you should use a mouthwash for that. Drink plenty of water as it helps to wash away the sugar left on teeth after the eating. Clear? Means you have to drink or use water for that. Visit a dentist for a checkup every 6 months. Clear? So this is the advice on how you should take care of your teeth. So this rule you should follow for that. Now the next thing given, healthy foods for teeth. Means what we should eat to make our teeth strong. Means you eat lots of protein. The food product that give us protein, so we should have it. Clear? And means the name is also given here, apple. And we also use food product, those are completely rich with roughages. Means carrot, cucumber, and nuts, almonds. So these food products provide us and make our teeth strong. And sprouts and high protein foods like egg, milk, cheese, curd, these make our teeth strong. Clear? And what we don't eat, basically those food products made by the sugar, biscuits, sweets, chips, cake, these are the sticky product. So it covered our teeth, and if we use daily this food product, so it make a layer on our teeth, and after the sometimes tooth decays become on our teeth. So these are the take care, how you should take care of your teeth, and which healthy food if you eat that make your teeth strong. So what we eat, we use full roughages food product, those are rich in the roughages, clear, like cucumber, carrot, radish and apple, these food items, that is the full rich with roughages. And now the some dry fruits also you have, that is peanut, almonds, nuts. So it provide you which thing, proteins and fats also. And now the high rich protein food products means egg, chicken, fish, cheese, curd, means milk. If you have 1 glass milk, so it already make your teeth strong and bones also strong. Clear? Now, and what we have, we don't have, means हमें क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए, so that is the full rich with sweet are sugar product, those are made by the sugar. Now the biscuits, sticky, बिस्किट कैसे होते हैं, स्टिकी होते हैं ना, दांतों में चिपक जाते हैं, ये भी नहीं खाना चाहिए. स्वीट्स, चिप्स, केक एंड स्टिकी एंड कॉजेज ग्रेट डैमेज टू द टीथ. क्लियर? तो दिस थिंग गिवन इन योर चैप्टर. नाउ स्टूडेंट, once again we are doing a quick revision of this chapter. What is given in this chapter, because here your chapter finished or reading part over, but once again we revise all the things what is given in this chapter. What is given in this chapter? In this chapter, structure of teeth and tongue given. Now, what is present on the tongue? The taste bud. What is the function of this taste bud? These taste bud identify the taste for us. Clear? If we should divide our tongue in the 4 part. Clear? The front part is, if you divide your tongue, once again we are doing a quick revision of this chapter. Clear? This picture given, and now the name of the taste also given. Sweet, salty, this is sour, and this side we know the bitter taste. Why we should divide our tongue in the different parts? Because the taste bud, those are present on our tongue, it identify the taste, means send the message. Now the tongue is a sense organ. Through the tongue we know the taste of food and also the temperature of the food items. Clear? So we should divide our tongue in the 4 parts. Front part, know the taste of which type of things? Food items, sweet. Food items, that is the sweet, we know in this part. After that, the next part, identify the salty things. जो नमकीन होती है उनको पहचानता है. Now the sour, जो तीखा होगा उसे पहचानेगा. Next part, in the last part, identify the bitter things. So how it functioning for us? The tongue is a sense organ. We in the human body we have 5 sense organ. Tongue is one of them. Clear? So how we know the taste of the food item? Our tongue send the message to which part? That is the brain. Send the message to brain. But most and important thing, how our brain get the message? Through the which thing? What is present? Which thing connect the brain to the tongue or to the sense organ? That is the nerves. Nerves are the thread-like structure. those are connected with the brain through to the sense organ. Clear? To the tongue. So our tongue send the message to brain, and our message, that message send back to the our body by the brain. Clear? So suddenly your body react means मैंने अभी खट्टा खाया. Now after the before the 5 minutes I taste salty things, I eat sweets. So this message send it to the brain. Which part send the message? Your tongue send the message to brain. How your tongue send the message? Through the nerves. Through the nerves, our tongue send the message to our brain, and our brain know the taste and send the message to our body. Clear? So this way our tongue functioning. Now what is the importance of tongue? Tongue help us to taste and also help us in the speaking, clearly speaking. Clear? Now after that, teeth. What is the color of your teeth? White. Student, this is the revision for you. Once again I explain you all the things because our explanation part over. So we are doing a quick revision. Clear? Now open the page number 42. Teeth given there. What is the importance of your teeth, and where do your teeth present in your body? So our teeth present inside the mouth. And what is the color of your teeth? The color of our teeth is white. Clear? Now what is the function of your teeth? So what is the function of your teeth? Tell me. It helps in the digestion process. Clear? The teeth help us in the digestion process, means it helps us to divide the food in the small parts. Clear? And now also help us in the speaking. These are the function of our teeth. And how the human beings, in which age they have their teeth? In the month of, after the birth, the human beings have teeth the age of 6 months. That age is 6 months. In the 6th month, the human beings have their teeth. Clear? And 6 to 1 year, they have complete 20 teeth. How many teeth? Human beings have 20 teeth, and we should give them name. These are the milk teeth, are temporary teeth. These are the temporary teeth. Clear? We should give them name because after the birth the baby have no teeth, so they are only feeding from their mother. वो अपनी मम्मी का दूध पीते हैं. Now after the 6 month, age of the 6 month, the teeth starts growing on in their mouth. Now in the age of 1 year, the baby have 20 teeth, and the name of that teeth is milk teeth, are temporary teeth. Now the age of the 6th year, these teeth, 20 teeth means temporary teeth, fall down, टूटना शुरू हो जाते हैं, and in place of that temporary teeth, the human beings get permanent teeth. The human beings get permanent teeth. And now these teeth are growing in the different same numbers and both side of jaws, upper side and down side. See, both side we have teeth. Clear? Now, and we basically in the human being's mouth 16 upper side and 16 down side means 32 total 32 teeth. But only the human beings in the mouth, they have only 28. Clear? The 4 teeth growing after the some time. After the sometimes, and we should give them name. That is 4 wisdom teeth. Clear? So this is the information about the teeth. Clear? Now the kinds of teeth, according to function of the teeth, we should divide the teeth in the 4 categories. That is, first is incisor, second is canine, fourth one is premolar, and third one is premolar, and fourth one is molar teeth. And they have a different numbers. These teeth are found in inside of our mouth in the different numbers. Clear? Incisor. First is incisor. These are the cutting teeth. 4 plus 4. After that, canine. These are the tearing teeth. Premolar. These are the cracking teeth. Grinding teeth. See students, this picture showed you the position of the teeth inside of your mouth. This picture कि आपके कौन से दांत किसके बाद कौन से दांत उगे होते हैं. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट इन द फ्रंट साइड 2 teeth are incisor, 2 upper side, 2 down side. This is the 4 in the 4. Clear? 2 this side, 2 this side, 4. Now the down side, 2 this side, 2 this side means 4, 4, 8. Clear? Now after the canine, how many canines in our mouth? 2 plus 2, 4. Clear? Now after that, premolar and molar. position of the teeth given in this picture. Clear? According to, if you know, read or learn the name of the different types of teeth, so you should learn in this form 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to draw a picture, so you should draw properly. Incisor, canines, premolar, molar. These are the different types of teeth and their numbers. Now, after that, what is given? The structure of your teeth. So we should divide our teeth in the crown, upper side, that is the visible, and next is root. These are the two parts of our teeth. Now the crown is visible for us and root is not visible, means ये अंदर होती है, and the crown is upper side of the gums. So we should see that. Clear? Now again we should divide our teeth in the different parts. First is enamel, second is pulp, gums and bone. Enamel and pulp, these are the most important part. Enamel is visible for us and these are the very hard part. Clear? Enamel is the hardest part of our body. जो ऊपर का लेयर है, जो वाइट जो दिखता है हमें दांत का, वो सबसे ज़्यादा कठोर होता है. Clear? And it protect the inner part of our teeth, that is the dentine and pulp. Dentine and pulp. Clear? And more sensitive part is pulp because it fully covered with muscles and nerves, and this part connected with our brain. This is very sensitive part. Now next thing given, tooth decay. What happened? I explain you about it. This is the structure of your teeth. This is the different types of layers. Now if on the upper side of your teeth fully covered with, if you don't proper brush your teeth, so it covered with plaque. मीन्स आप ब्रश नहीं करोगे तो लेयर बनती जाएगी, जो आप खाना खाओगे वो इसके ऊपर चिपकता रहेगा. क्लियर? सो तो वी शुड गिव देम नेम प्लाक. प्लाक क्या है? व्हाट इज द प्लाक? दिस इज द कवरिंग ऑफ द फूड ऑन योर टीथ. जो हम खाते हैं वो चिपकता जाता है हमारे दांतों को कवर कर लेता है. एंड आफ्टर डेट इफ यू डोंट वॉश योर टीथ और ब्रश योर टीथ, तो बैक्टीरिया अटैक ऑन योर टीथ. बैक्टीरिया उस पर आने लग जाएंगे एंड नाउ दैट बैक्टीरिया स्टार्ट ईटिंग दैट प्लाक. And after the sometimes it makes a hole or so many holes on the layer of enamel. This is the enamel of your teeth, and it destroy the enamel and enter in the inside of your teeth. And now after the sometimes it all affect the pulp. That time you feel so much pain. Clear? If you eat any hot thing or you drink cold drinks, so that time your teeth react about it. Clear? So this is the tooth decay. Now how you should take care of your teeth, this point we discussed in this chapter. Now student, next thing is book exercise. Clear? We should complete today this exercise also. True, false and tick the correct option. Now the explanation part over. We should start the book exercise. The question number, page number 46. Book exercise. Question number A. Take the correct option. The one number is, at which age do permanent teeth starts growing? In which age? आपके permanent जो teeth होते हैं, दांत होते हैं, कब आना शुरू हो जाते हैं? In the age of 3, the B option, in the age of 6 or in the age of 8 years. What is the correct answer? B. That is 6. Clear? Now the number 2. The sharp flat teeth in the front used to biting and cutting the food are called. Biting and cutting teeth. Which teeth are called the biting or cutting teeth? A. Incisors, B. Canines, or C. Molars. 1. A number. That is the incisor. We also call these teeth are cutting teeth. Now the number 3. What is given in the number 3? The parts of the tooth that we are able to see is the, means visible part is root. A. Second means B. Dentine. or C. crown. The part that is visible, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, that is crown. Take the option number C, crown. This part is visible and this is the most hardest part of our body. Now the fourth number. We should use these to clean between the teeth. दांतों को बीच से साफ करने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं हम लोग? ब्रश, बी माउथ वॉश और डेंटल फ्लॉस. सी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, डेंटल फ्लॉस. Now the fifth number. The food is bad for our teeth. Means what we don't have for the protect our teeth. A. Sweets, B. Milk, C. Sprouts. Sweets, because sweets are very harmful for our teeth. Clear? This is the answer. What is given in the one number? Once again I revise for you. At twice age, at which age do permanent teeth starts growing? मतलब कौन सी एज से permanent teeth हमारे आने शुरू हो जाते हैं? तो at the age of 6 year. Now the number 2, the sharp flat teeth in the front use of biting or cutting teeth. What is the name of that teeth that used for the cutting? That is the incisor. Now the canine teeth are called tearing teeth. Clear? Now the number 3, the parts of the tooth that are able to see is that, means that part is visible for us, हम उसे देख सकते हैं, that is crown. Now the number 4, we should use these to clean between the teeth. Which thing? Dental floss we should use for the cleaning for the between of the teeth. Now the 5 number, which thing harmful are teeth for our teeth? That is the sweets. तो हमें मीठा नहीं खाना चाहिए. Now the true and false. The tongue also help us in speaking. Is it true? Yes. The first number is true. Now the number 2, tongue help us to speaking, na? And our teeth also. Both are functioning together. Now the number 2, permanent teeth are also called milk teeth. No. The temporary teeth also called milk teeth. परमानेंट टीथ का एक ही नाम है, परमानेंट. नाउ 3 number, canines are pointed and sharp and can be used for tearing the food. Yes, we use canine teeth for the cutting and tearing. True. We should also give them name, na, tearing teeth. 4th number, molars are located next to the canine. No. Molars are located next to the premolar. Premolar के बाद में molar teeth होते हैं, not after the canine. So this is false. Now the 5th number, crown and root are the 2 parts of the teeth. Yes, these are the 2 parts of the teeth. So this is your true and false. Once again we should revise it. The tongue, 1 number, the tongue also help us in the speaking. Yes, true. Permanent teeth are also called milk teeth. No. The milk teeth in the human body start growing in the age of 6 months to 1 year. These are the temporary teeth and we should also give them name. Temporary teeth are milk teeth. Clear? Now this is false. Number 3, canines are pointed and sharp and can be used for tearing the food. Yes, this is true. Now the 4th number, molar are located next to the canine. No. Molar are located next to the premolar. Clear? Now the 5th number, crown and roots are the 2 parts of the teeth. Yes. This is your question number A and question number B. Now what is given in the number C? See the page number 47. Number of the teeth. How many incisors we have? Incisor 8. Now the next number 2, canine 4. Now the premolar 8. Now the molar 8. So this is the number of the teeth that is present in our mouth. Clear? So this is the book exercise, student. Now open the page number 48. See this question. You do this question yourself. आपको ये वाला क्वेश्चन घर पे अपने खुद से करना है. Clear? Now, so student, book exercise here completed. Now your explanation part is over. Now from the next lecture we should start the writing part of this chapter. Chapter number 7. We write tough word means hard words, new words that is related to chapter, and doing next question answer of this chapter. Now if you have any query or any problem, to talk with me. I explain you all the things, and we also completed book exercise today. Okay, so students, my lecture finished here. You have to read the chapter at home once, twice, thrice, as you wish, but at least you should read the chapter at home in front of your parents, and you also learn continuously question answer of all the chapters. Clear? At least one question daily. Clear? I think you also following my instructions. You start learning. Clear? Okay. Bye bye.